In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI-powered email tools for sales. By the end, you'll know how to go from a contact in your CRM to a polished, personalized email that's ready to send, quickly and confidently. Start by signing in to your Pipedrive account. Make sure your email is connected to Pipedrive, so messages can be sent and tracked from within the platform. This keeps all communications synced to the right contact and deal. From the main dashboard, head to Contacts. This is where you'll find the people and organizations you're actively engaging. Use the search or filters to locate the prospect you want to reach out to, then open their profile. Reviewing notes and recent activities here helps you tailor your message. Open the email composer from the Contacts profile. You'll see your standard fields and formatting options. Look for the feature labeled, Write My Email. This is where the AI magic happens. An AI-generated sales email uses a large language model to transform your brief into a clear, structured draft. It can draw on the context available in the CRM, like the contact's name, company, and recent interactions, and apply best practices for tone, clarity, and persuasion. Think of it as your writing assistant. It accelerates the first draft, but you remain the editor. Always review for accuracy, compliance, and brand voice before sending. In the description field, tell the AI exactly what you need. Include your goal, the value proposition, any relevant context from prior calls or messages, the tone you want, friendly, concise, or consultative, and the call to action, such as booking a demo or replying with a time. Add concrete details like outcomes, timelines, or offers to improve specificity. Avoid confidential information and keep claims accurate. Generate the email and give it a moment to draft. Read the result carefully. Check names, facts, placeholders, and links. Tweak the intro to sound like you, tighten sentences, and add a clear next step. If needed, regenerate with a sharper prompt or shorter length. Copy the draft into the message editor. Here, you can format, add attachments, and confirm your signature. Next, craft a crisp subject line that reflects the benefit or outcome, keeps to a reasonable length, and avoids spammy language. Personalization can help lift open rates. When everything looks right, hit send. Your message is now logged to the contact's timeline, so you can track engagement and plan your follow-up. You've successfully created and sent an AI-powered sales email, faster, clearer, and with confidence. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.